Hi, it's Alison from Silicon Bullet here with an update on Sage 50 Cloud software. So yesterday I sat the Sage 50 Business Partner Accreditation test and exam, which basically takes me through the latest version 26 and the updates that have happened on that. Now, what I found is that there aren't many changes to your day-to-day bookkeeping in this latest version. But if you are somebody that has a remote bookkeeper that wants to use the Sage Drive, which is the way that you can have two people on different sites, both remotely looking at the same software, they have done some data changes to improve that service. So that it shouldn't be uploading data up to the cloud as much as it was before. So it should be more streamlined. And if maybe you were running this before and you found it was a bit buggy and you had some problems, it might be time to have another go at it. One of the other big changes that it went through was making tax digital, but I know a lot of us have already done our first MTD VAT returns now. There's still a couple of quarters still yet to go ahead with that. And the other thing that was in the training was the construction industry. Put my teeth in. The construction industry scheme where it's changing to reverse VAT charging. Now, for those of you that haven't noticed, last Friday, which was something like the 7th of September, the HMRC have announced that they are postponing the start of that. It was supposed to start on the 1st of October 2019, and it's now starting on the 1st of October 2020. But when you need it, Sage 50 version 26 or 2020, what they've done is they have added another standard VAT code, which will be code T21, so that if you are a contractor invoicing a main contractor, then you can raise your invoices with that. I won't go through all the explanations here, but basically it takes you through what VAT code to use on your invoices, whether it's sales or the purchase side, and how it will be dealt with on the VAT return. So if you want any help with any of these things, then I do offer Sage Refresher training. So what this means is that if you need some help upgrading to the latest version of Sage, or you just want someone to go through with you and show you these latest features, then I can log on remotely to your Sage software and take you through and help you out. What you need to do is go to Silicon Bullet, that's www.siliconbullet.com, go to contact us and get in touch that way, or go to LinkedIn and look for Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet, or go to the Silicon Bullet YouTube channel and subscribe, and you'll get handy updates like this one as well. So this is Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet with your updates about version 26 of Sage 50 Cloud. One last thing, if you do have Sage 50 accounts, whatever version that is, and it doesn't have the C or the cloud in it, Sage are no longer rolling out their updates to this version of Sage. So if you have the subscription or you need making tax digital, you will have to go onto their subscription service. We also do supply subscriptions, software only without Sage cover, and then you can then come to us for support if you need it, but just pay for the software only if you're confident at it. So do get in touch with Silicon Bullet for any of your Sage needs. Thanks very much. I shall see you again soon. Bye.